The Brass Nexus stands at the crossroads of 19th century engineering ambition and 21st century digital logic. Its form mirrors the grand exposition halls of the 1890s, a hulking iron chest sheathed in burnished brass, riveted at every joint, with a teardrop-shaped glass panel that houses a miniature steam-driven turbine. Around the perimeter, lattices of interlocking steel gears, ranging from the massive 12-inch idlers to the whisper-quiet 1/4-inch pinions, form a visible, kinetic facade that constantly shifts, reminding the operator that every computation is a choreography of motion. Functionally, the Nexus translates mechanical motion into binary information through a series of cam-based comparators and relays. A modified typewriter keyboard sends keystrokes to a stack of brass levers. Each lever actuates a gear train that punches corresponding holes onto a rotating copper scroll, creating a physical memory tape. The scroll feeds into a series of wind-up levers whose positions are read by optomechanical sensors, converting the patterns back into audible clicks that drive a compiled result displayed on a row of vacuum tube-backed gauge dials. Although it lacks transistors, its architecture mirrors the modern CPU. A control gear set directs the flow of data, while arithmetic gears perform addition, subtraction, and even rudimentary multiplication through gear ratio calculations. Aesthetically, the Nexus embraces the ornate vocabulary of the Victorian machine. Rose-etched copper plates are pierced with filigree motifs of gears within gears, echoing the naturalist designs of James Watt's illustrations. Steam-vency-mit-thin plumes of white vapor that catch the soft glow of amber gas lamps, casting moving shadows across the polished mahogany desk on which the machine rests. The overall visual language conveys reliability through exposed engineering while embedding a sense of wonder. Every calculation is a miniature performance, a steam-powered ballet of brass and steel for the 21st century mind. The Brass Nexus may never have breathed steam, but as a speculative artifact it challenges us to imagine how we might have built modern computation out of the tangible, audible, and tactile technologies of the Industrial Revolution.